Hey everyone, welcome back to Judgment Point, your go-to for the biggest breakthroughs in tech and innovation. Today, I'm breaking down a moment that could define the future of transportation. Tesla's long-promised Robotaxi service is finally live, and it's starting right in Austin, Texas. So, what's actually happening? For the first time, Tesla is rolling out driverless Model Y vehicles on public roads. If you're in Austin, you can now hop into a Tesla with nobody behind the wheel, for just $4.20 a ride. That's less than your average latte, and a whole lot more futuristic. According to people on the ground, these robotaxis are already giving rides around the city. There's no driver, just a single passenger up front acting as a safety monitor. Now it's not totally clear how much control these monitors have, but their presence adds an extra layer of comfort as this tech enters the real world. And as you'd expect, social media is blowing up with reactions. Videos of these driverless Teslas are making the rounds, and fans are stoked. One user on X, Omar Kazi, who goes by Oh Holmar's blog, put it simply, "We are going to ride in driverless Teslas in just a few days on public roads." The buzz is real, and it's only growing. If you're as curious about the future as I am, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and support Judgment Point. Your subscription lets me keep bringing you the smartest updates on tech that's shaping tomorrow. Of course, with big changes come big questions. Texas lawmakers have already stepped in, with Governor Greg Abbott signing new rules that require companies running self-driving cars to get a special state permit. Even though the law doesn't kick in until September 1st, it's a clear signal. Texas wants innovation, but not at the expense of safety. Under these rules, companies must go through the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, and the state can pull permits if anything goes wrong. Plus, operators have to make sure police and first responders know exactly how to interact with these vehicles in an emergency. You might be wondering, just how autonomous are these Teslas? The law targets cars with at least level 4 autonomy. That means they can drive themselves without a human driver, but only under specific conditions, like within certain neighborhoods or zones. For comparison, level 5 would be total autonomy, anywhere, anytime. All in all, Tesla's Robotaxi service is aiming to be safe, affordable, and a glimpse into what's next. With a cheap flat fee and safety monitors up front, they're taking real steps to make this future accessible to more people. So, would you trust an empty driver's seat and take a ride in a driverless Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe to Judgment Point for everything you need to know about tomorrow's tech today. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.